Meaning of dovecote.
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 Dovecote. A dovecote is a small structure used to house domesticated pigeons or doves. These structures were popular in Europe during the Middle Ages and Renaissance periods, and were often built by wealthy landowners as a status symbol. The pigeons were kept for their eggs, meat, and droppings which were used as fertilizer. Dovecotes were constructed in various styles, but typically had small holes or ledges in the walls for the birds to enter and exit. Today, dovecotes are mainly used for ornamental purposes and can be found in gardens or parks.